In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in Microsoft Sway. Customizing the look of your Sway presentation is an important step in making your content more engaging and visually appealing. While Sway doesn't allow you to manually select individual fonts like traditional editors, it provides built-in design styles that automatically apply coordinated font combinations across your entire presentation. To get started, open your web browser and go to Microsoft Sway, then sign in to your account. Once you're inside, open the Sway project you want to edit or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Make sure your content is already added so you can clearly see how font changes affect your design. Next, look at the top of your screen and click on the Design tab. This section controls the overall appearance of your Sway, including fonts, colors, and layout styles. Once you're in the design area, you'll see a variety of style options displayed. From here, click on the Styles button. This will open a panel showing different design themes that you can apply to your Sway. Each style comes with a unique combination of fonts, color palettes, and visual elements. As you hover over or select a style, you'll notice your Sway updating instantly, allowing you to preview how the fonts and overall design will look. If you want Sway to generate a design for you automatically, you can click the Remix button. This feature cycles through different style combinations, including font pairings, until you find one that fits your preference. It's a quick way to explore multiple design options without manually selecting each one. Keep in mind that font changes in Sway apply to the entire presentation rather than individual sections or text blocks. This ensures consistency in your design and helps maintain a professional appearance throughout your content. Once you've found a style that you like, you can leave it applied and continue refining your presentation. You can always return to the Design tab later if you want to try a different look. By using Sway's built-in design tools, you can easily change the font style and improve the overall appearance of your presentation without needing advanced design skills. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.